Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. So today we are baking chicken with potatoes and carrot in our oven, and what we need for our dry spices is oregano, thyme, paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken curry, coriander and turmeric. Make sure your poultry is very clean. You can either wash it with white vinegar or lemon juice, but make sure it's clean because these animals sometimes have dirt, a lot of dirt. So what I'm going to do first is to marinate the chicken. So I'm adding all the dry ingredients together, and then I'm going to add some salt to the dry spices and mix everything together. And then I'm also going to add some black soy sauce. I'll add about a teaspoon, and then I'll also add some milk, about 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'll be marinating the chicken for about 6 hours, but you're free to marinate it overnight. The more hours you marinate chicken, the better, the softer the chicken. I have a number of chicken recipes and I've placed the links down below in the description box. Please check them out. Very nice and simple recipes with very tasty chicken. And I'm also going to write down for you all the spices and all the ingredients that I've used in this video. Don't hesitate to check it out, because I'll also put all the measurements and everything that you'd like to know about this specific recipe. After mixing all the dry ingredients together, you have a very smooth paste, and what you're going to do is to just rub this paste on the chicken pieces and make sure every piece is coated with these spices. And in case you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana and you would like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. It's down below in red. Also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload a new video. And in case you have any comments about this specific recipe, please leave them down below in the comments section. I'll reply to all of them. Just pouring some little oil onto the chicken, and I'm going to cover the dish with a cling film, and then I'm going to let it marinate. For the carrots, I just peeled off the skin and then cut into pieces. And then for the potatoes, I'm just cutting into halves, and I'm not peeling them because jacket potatoes come out very tasty when they're baked in the oven. You can use any type of potatoes that you have. So today I had this type of potatoes, that is why I used this one specifically. So just pour some salt on the potatoes and the carrots, and then also pour some curry powder, then turmeric powder, and then mix everything very well, because you also want them to come out tasty. So I'm using an oven tray, and I've just put a foil paper on top, and I'm going to place the chicken onto our foil paper. So I'm going to bake the chicken for over 50 minutes, and I'll be baking at 170 degrees Celsius. In case you're wondering what to do with that chicken that you've been having in your freezer, just try out this recipe. First of all, it's very easy to make. It's very simple. It takes a very short time to cook. The only time you need is just to marinate the chicken, which you can do overnight, then bake it in the morning. The chicken comes out very juicy and very tasty. So I'm going to place this in the oven and I'll be having my lunch in the next 50 minutes. I can't wait to eat, so I'll be having this with a glass of juice. I hope you people have liked my recipe. It's very simple, takes a short time to cook, and the food came out very tasty and nice. Bye bye.